Hi. Um, in this video, I'll show you how to take input a string. Okay. If I want to print my name, how I'll get this input. Okay, let's get started. First, I am going to delete this all of this thing. Okay. Just use for how to use gets. Okay. How to use gets. Okay, this is comment. This is the way of comment any line or anything. Okay, just first of all use character. I'm going to string string. No, that means name. Okay, name, and this is called array. I'm going to use 50 and printf. Enter your name. Now use gets now name. Okay, and now print your name. Your name is percent string and use name. Okay, now just click on the build and run button and type my name is Saiful. Sorry, this is Saiful. Okay, press enter. Your name is Saiful. Looks good. Thank you very much.